Pablo, Belen. Welcome to Pampanga guys para sa video na to. Isa na lang pong staycation ang ipapakilala po namin sa inyo. Ito ang Casa Selina located dito sa may San Pablo, Magalang, Pampanga. And this is a quick view. Ayan guys, samahan niyo po ako. We're gonna get around this staycation. And sana po makapag-stay din po kayo dito. So tara, let's go! Ayan guys, umpisahan natin ang ating staycation tour dito sa kanilang labas. If you notice doon sa likuran ko, yun po yung indoor parking niya. So siguro based on my calculation, siguro 2 to 3 vehicles pwede pong magkasya doon. Yun naman yung ating outdoor living room area. Sa likod naman natin is yung kanilang swimming pool. Swimming pool is small in size. However, yung design niya parang lap pool, no? It has this really ambient creating waterfalls. Meron din siyang parang jacuzzi dun sa gitna. Great for kids, no? Ayun, so sa likuran naman natin is the main accommodations area. Pasok tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo, tara. Wow! Okay, so first time to be inside dito sa ating staycation. Immediately, you're gonna be greeted with the living room area / entertainment area. So you have your LCD TV dito. You have a sofa. Pagkatapos po nun, ito yung ating indoor kitchen. Ayan. You have a counter table dito. Yung mga amenities natin, we have microwave, refrigerator, stove area, yung cabinets, no? Ito naman yung kanilang dining area. So this has like 8-seater dining table. Now, let's go to the rooms. 3 available rooms. Let's go to this first one. Ito siya. So, double bed po yung size niya. So, it can accommodate 4. And then, meron tayong extra mattress doon. The entire villa can accommodate up until 20. Comfortable yon. But the price point po niya can accommodate up until 15. So, meaning, yung additional 5 has extra bayad. Okay, so this is the second room. Ayan, so similar to the previous room that we've been to. Meron siyang double-sized bed plus mattress. So this has a bigger space for extra mattresses. Okay, so let's go out palabas ulit. Ayan. And then this is the last room. And I think this is the master's bedroom kasi napakalaki niya in terms of the size. Pinakamalaki siya actually dun sa dalawa. Meron siyang isang bed lang. But the space for extension dun sa mga mattresses natin is this is the largest area, no? So lahat pala ng mga rooms natin are air conditioned. This room has access to the pool area. Diretso lang siya dito. Ito. And meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath over here. Meron din siyang common comfort room naman dito for the 2 beds dito. And ayun po yung common comfort room dito. Okay, all in all, I think it's not complicated. Ito yung parang staycation na hindi masyadong, not too heavy on the design, on the mga interiors, parang ganyan. Straightforward, modern design. Mas gusto ko yung mga ganun. But as for me, I think this is more cozy para sa akin. Simple is the best. Yung space niya, kahit na konti yung pwedeng mag-accommodate dito, but the place is very spacious, no? Para sa akin. So you can roam around, children can still play inside, and everything. Okay, so for more information, guys, check out the fan page we're gonna be including. You can also contact them for bookings, reservations, and inquiries. This is how it looks like during the evening. So napakaganda ng swimming pool natin. Para siyang glow in the dark, diba? So it changes colors and lights every once in a while. And again, there's the view of Mount Arayan. Nice. So there you have it guys, another staycation for you to discover and check out dito po sa may San Pablo, Magalang, Pampanga. Si Casa Selina po is at 13,500 rate, and that is good for 15 packs po. Now if you're gonna add more people, hanggang 20 po maximum dito. So those are with added fee naman. So for more information, go check out their fan page for bookings, and inquiry, go check out the fan page what we're gonna be including in this post. So there you have it, guys. Sabi ko nga, another staycation for you to check out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here and on our next video. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys.